This is a mid to late 60s Lakewood model P-20 20-inch box fan. Got this fan from the garbage. Almost didn't get this one. The garbage truck was really close when I grabbed it. He was like 3 houses behind me when I got the fan, so this one almost went to the junk. Fan's in pretty good shape. It's got some rust in the bottom, so it's going to need to be repainted. Haven't done anything to it yet. It's been a really good runner so far. I have been using it. See the grill is really dirty and rusty, going to need to be steel wooled. It's got the nice sparkle sticker on it and the metal handle instead of a plastic one. Another old Lakewood fan I got recently was I got a early 60s Lakewood X22 with a Marco motor in it. I got to get a video of that one tonight too. This fan is a really good fan. It's just going to get repainted soon. I'll probably start working on this one in like 2 weeks or so. And you can see it's got a lot of dirt on the motor too. It's got a Fastco motor. It's got a really nice startup sound to it. First fan I've had with a Fastco motor in it. Strange. Usually don't get Fastco stuff around here. It's all Macmillan or Westinghouse or something like that. First one I've seen with a Fastco motor around here. But anyway, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and look for a video of this fan when it's all cleaned up.